Okay, you guys, I had to come back to show you guys. Well, this is how it look when I wrap it up in foil. It's a handheld breakfast burrito. And again, like I said, if you want to see how I make this, just keep watching this video. I just had to come back to show you guys that. Oh my goodness, look at that, you guys. Now that, and you can always make these ahead of time. You can freeze it, or just say you could at least a couple of 3 or 4 in your refrigerator. Oh my goodness, you guys need to watch this, okay? So watch how I make it. Wow. Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my cooking channel. Happy Friday, everyone. This is October the 18th, 2024. You guys, I love, to start my day with morning breakfast. And this is your first meal of the day. And it's important to eat breakfast, you guys, because it go a long, long way before lunch, supper, dinner, whatever. But this is my ingredient, you guys, that I'm using. Of course, I'm going to turn this into a breakfast burrito. And I got several recipes on my cooking channel. And you guys, yes, I'm a Southern lady. And I do, I do like to, post my whatever I'm having in the morning time, my breakfast and stuff. But yeah. But anywho, I already, this is Jimmy Dean sausage. And I think this is with the sage. You could get this at your local grocery store. You could get it at, our local grocery store near me is King Super. And I already, the same time, I already saute my Jimmy Dean sausage. Also, this be my first time ever trying that. I put a little bit with my eggs. Okay, this right here. Can you guys see that? Cilantro and also butter. And this is okay. You guys say, oh my God, this is extra extra hot, but excuse me, guys. But this ain't really. It's hot, but it just ain't screaming hot. Even though it's even though it said extra hot, it ain't just really that hot. But yeah, but I can make my own. I be always making my own green chili, so yeah. I do want to try to get it out, on the market and stuff, but yeah. But anyway, I'm just coming back to show you guys what I'm eating for breakfast. And also, I got potato, but I got it in my air fryer. Okay, I'm going to show you. Because I'm going to have some potato with it. Let's see. To show you guys that the light is so bright. But yeah, you see my air fryer still need to cook a little bit. That's it. Okay, I'll put it back in there. Let's put a 400. Cook it another 6 minutes. So the only thing I got to do now is just do my eggs. You saw my potato in the air fryer. Okay, so this is my morning breakfast. this is my coffee, you guys. Yep. It's my coffee. Okay, my butter is melting. Okay, so I put the 3 eggs. And I put this, I'll show you the seeds I'm using. And this is the seeds I'm using. I need to get some more of my peppercorn, my olive. Okay, put my season in. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of cilantro. Okay, see that? And that's the cilantro. Now, if I wasn't eating no breakfast burrito, I could do me some sausage patty, eggs, bacon, and toast. I would have just leave it like that. But I'm gonna have to scramble because I'm doing a breakfast burrito. Yeah, that's how you do it. And I don't like my eggs very hard scrambled, just like that. I'm gonna turn off my fire. That's how I like it. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and put it in a little container. Probably have some left over for tomorrow for breakfast, so that way I don't have to do no eggs. And that's why this right here, my Jimmy Dean sausage, this is like a roll. You know how you buy the roll of the Jimmy Dean sausage? That's what that is. I just brown it. But I have enough, that way when I get back up in the morning time, just heat it up and do my coffee, and I am ready for my breakfast. Yes. Now I put my hash brown in my bowl. I got plenty of that. See, that's my egg and the sausage. So I don't really have to do nothing, just heat it up, and I am good to go. Well, potato, not hash brown. Dice potato. Okay, pour my coffee. This for the normal time. This is when I drink my coffee, just one time in the morning. Okay, you guys, I put my cream and sugar. That's how it look. And this is the cream I use. This right here. And just only 2 of this blender. Yep, that's my coffee, you guys. That's how it look. So when you see, if I show you this is what I use. And I'm making a mess on my coffee. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put my breakfast burrito together. I got everything cooked. And this is the sauce that I'm kind of using to go inside my burrito. And again, guys, if you ever have company stuff over and stuff, or they come in the morning time, you know how they have their burrito bar, and you could just cook. If you want more topping, you could cook some bacon, sausage, egg, or whatever. But this is really good for a breakfast bar as well, if you know what I mean. But anyway, anywho, so let me go ahead Cause this is gonna be a wrap burrito. That's why I got the foil here. And this is what I do in the morning time, you guys. When I have a lot of topping like that, I always like, this is what I talk about when I heat up stuff, okay? You know? So yeah. So watch how I build it. And I don't have my stand, so I might have to pause it. Trying to put everything together. If I take a thumbnail, a picture of everything. And that's the flour tortilla. The flour tortilla. Okay, first thing I do, I spread my salsa. That's how it look. And I do use a spoon. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add probably my potato. It don't really, you can add how you gonna, it's not in no order, okay? Okay, I add my potato. Mm-hmm. And now I'm gonna add my cheese. My cheese. Then I might go ahead and put some sauce. Oh, I should have put the sauce, the green chili, uh, by the sauce, but anyway, anywho, whatever. Okay, so what I did take the cheese, some of the cheese out, put the sauce on it. It's gonna be a big, big breakfast burrito, you guys. And that's the green chili. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'll just put the cheese back on it. Then my eggs on top. And more cheese on top. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and fold it up and put it in my microwave. Well, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. That's why I got that paper towel. Okay, see? And go in my microwave. If I can melt the cheese and everything else. Wow, that looks so good, you guys. Wow. Alrighty. Then I'm just gonna cook it for a minute. Okay, now I took it out of the microwave. See the cheese? And now I'm just to fold it up. Okay, that's how I fold it up. Okay, now I'm just to fold the foil. And that's my breakfast burrito. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Comment down below in my description. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Again, like, comment below, thumb this video up, and share with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if you guys always subscribe to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. And if you always coming back to my cooking channel, but you guys haven't subscribed yet, please be kind and subscribe. It really doesn't cost you guys anything. Just hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and a happy Friday. October the 18th, 2024. God bless. See you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. That's my breakfast burrito. chimadine, salsa, scrambled egg, potato, and cheese. And this is the sauce I use. Okay, see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye.